name is Amani and I love tongue twisters. But some of these twisters can be challenging, and that's why I want to help you practice so we can get better at saying them together. Here's how this tongue twister challenge works. First, you'll hear me say a tongue twister really slowly. Then, you'll hear a sound like this. That's the signal for you to repeat the tongue twister with me. At each sound, my voice will get softer and the speed will become faster. But we'll practice together until we both get better. Today's Toffee TV tongue twister challenge is... She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. Ready? Let's go! She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. Let's try it again, a little faster. Ready? Let's go! She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. That's pretty good. Let's go a little faster. Ready? Here we go. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. You're getting pretty good. Ready? Get set, go! She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. She sells seashells by the seashore, and the shells she sells by the seashore are seashells for sure. That was so much fun. Remember, keep practicing so you keep getting better. Thanks for playing the Toffee TV Tongue Twister Challenge. See you later.
To win all these gifts, all you have to do is subscribe to Toffee TV, ring the bell, and comment on all our videos. Best comment wins each month. Don't forget to like and share our videos with your friends and family.
ToffeeTV.com